Today I'm going to share this movie which was released in Denmark and which won Oscar this year, Best International Film in Foreign Language category. And this film is a story about the four teacher and how they going to teach in their college. So these between four friends, when they discuss and share their ideas, they become to share their knowledge about the psychiatrist Finn Skårdard, who was once stated that humans are born with blood alcohol ratio 0.05, which is quite low, and if humans are increase blood alcohol level maybe above than 0.05%, he may be release their anxiety or stress free for certain extent to calm, to soothe, so but not crossing in the drunken state. So this movie is trying to attempt to say that kind of drinking which bring your creativeness or any sort of intoxication, if helps you to get your point, if you are willing to do work on that state, it not in a drunken or alcoholic. If you become alcoholic, you have no choice, you just wavered in your behavior. So it's controlled way, intoxication in controlled way, and how much work you can produce. So this film took examples of several famous writers like Ernest Hemingway, how heavily he drank, but he produces such a wonderful books. And about the Winston Churchill, who also have a problem with his daily life. He also consume kind of drink wine and other kind of intoxicated item, but they produce in their life great amount of work. So these films is teachers are saying their student celebrate life with alcohol or drink or whatever, but it is important to produce some kind of work in that state, not just roam and play and do nothing and all the time remain in the drunken state. So that's not very helpful. So it's encourage and try to lose out and reach out for their creativeness if it helps you. If it doesn't help you, then you must not drunk or all this thing. But if you feel it's helpful or you able to concentrate more on your work, then it's up to you how far you want to go. But it is not very mandatory that is it's drinking is the only way you can get or increase your concentration, or it's up to you. If it's health, then you do. So this movie telling about this kind of with their student teacher relationship. And Denmark is the country which allows to public drinking in their country. So director vision is that how drinking, without drinking this world would, how this world would be. uh, so many uh, work has been done by people who was a very heavy drinker. So idea was to this uh, celebrating life and understanding if something is playful to for the human, so how controlled way you do things and bring best out of yourself. So that is the main concept of the film, and this movie has a very beautiful philosophical way to explore this intelligence. When you watch this movie, I think you will understand and what these films want to say. And this story is very simple, and I think his screenplay is very good, and actors or performances are also very good. So I think people should watch this kind of film and they understand more, and how philosophy can be turned into film. This portrayal is clearly a nice example how certain philosophy or certain trivia can become a film, or some piece of message or something, whatever maybe excited you, person can make on a film on that, and countering the views of people through the examples, which is a very, I found very interesting in this movie, how they counter the concept about the drinking. Because whenever there is this kind of concept, it's people are not very accepting. They they really bring down the subject, how you can justify all drinking behaviors. So this movie explains in a very philosophical way. I think people who watch will understand. I don't want to exploit the climax, so people should watch, and I think they enjoy and they understand very well what they going to explain in this concept. So I can this environment he created in this through his story, it's very rarely you see in movie. So okay friends, I will bring the next more interesting films topic about the art, literature, films, and which may help you to grow on and expand your intelligence. I will keep bringing these subjects which are make you to understand, be your own, and do whatever you want, follow your heart and expand your understanding. Okay friends.